Hey guys, in continuation to our learning correct pronunciation and pitch, I've got 5 words today which are wrongly pronounced. The first one comes as address. So when this is when in British pronunciation, in British pronunciation, it will be pronounced as address. Be it noun or verb, they pronounce it as address. So they'll say that we should write the right address on the notes, and when it's verb, they'll say the Prime Minister is going to address the nation in the evening. On the contrary, Americans will say address. They'll say we should write the right address on the notes, and the Prime Minister is going to address the nation in the evening. So that's the basic difference in British and American pronunciation. The next word comes as idea. So the letter D is to be stressed here. This is idea. It's not idea, it's idea. So the bright ideas always get the right rewards. Third word comes as liaison. This is not liaison, this is liaison. Liaison. So the liaison officer dealt with the government clerk cleverly. Liaison. The fourth word is intuition. Intuition. This is not intuition, this is intuition. So I have an intuition that there might be an accident in the evening. Intuition. And the last word today is asthma. The letters T and H will keep silent here. Asthma. So the ailment asthma is increasing in India. Asthma. That's how it is. So if you wrongly pronounce them, correct them.